like these. So if I said factor by finding a GCF. What does GCF mean? Okay, so if I give you 25 a to the 4th b plus 10 ab squared. Greatest common factor, that's actually the first step on any problem I give you. We always check to see, do they have anything in common? And what are both of those divisible by? 5. And we can take out an a and a b. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. We had 4 a's, we took out 1, so that leaves 3. We had 1 b, we took it out, so no more b's. 10 divided by 5 is 2. We had an a, we took it out, so that's gone. We had 2 b's, we took out 1. And that would be our final answer. Then we did difference of squares. That one is probably the one we need to review the most because we don't use it every day. So if I said 144 minus y to the 4th. Okay, first, do we have a greatest common factor? No. Second, we look, are both of these perfect squares with a subtraction in the middle? Yes, so then we can factor. They factor into 2 identical parentheses except one is positive and one's negative. So the square root of 144 is square root of y to the 4th. And so that would be our final answer. What if I gave you (3x cubed minus 48x)? What can I do there? Take out a 3x. That leaves us with x squared minus 48 divided by 3 is? Okay, so we have 3x. 2 perfect squares with a subtraction. Factors into a plus and a minus. The square root of x squared is? Square root of 16. 4. Alright, do you guys remember doing those kinds of problems? Let's look at that handout from a couple days ago. We did a few problems on it yesterday. I want to look at the bottom 2. So problem number 9. What can we take out of that? So that gives us 5y squared minus 6y minus 8. Then what do we do? Well, first we have to, because we have that 5, we have to slip and slide. So the 3 is just going to stay. This turns into y squared minus 6y minus 40. So we need 2 numbers that multiply to negative 40, add to negative 6. What could that be?
10 and 4.
Negative 10, positive. So we have a y minus 10, y plus 4. Are we done? No. We divide by 5. So we have the 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2, so y minus 2. This one we can't reduce, so you slide the 5 back in front of the y. So 5y plus 4. So this is what we were doing yesterday on that Google Classroom. A couple of you still had some problems left to finish on that one. So we were factoring with the slip and slide. Still have to check for a greatest common factor first. There isn't always one, but sometimes there will be. Are there questions on that? Okay. So, now we're going to have time to work. So I'm going to give you a handout with some of all the different types. When you finish that turned in, then I will be talking to you about anything else